Okay, we want to find a time to reach a limit in a word problem on exponential growth or decay. And I'm told that a laptop computer is purchased for $3,400. Each year, its value is 65% of its value the year before. So what happens is that we start with $3,400 laptop. That must be a spectacular laptop, by the way. And it is decaying in value because this is less than one. Every year, the thing that happens is that we reach 65% of our previous value. And we want to know after how many years the laptop computer will be worth $400 or less. So we want when $3,400 times 0.65 to the t is less than or equal to 400. Now, there are two ways to solve this, and this problem actually comes in the section before logarithms are introduced. I think to prepare you for what a logarithm is actually used for, but I'm going to show you both methods. The first one, I'm going to divide both sides by 3,400. So 0.65 to the t is less than or equal to 4 over 34. Which is the same thing as 2 over 17, which is approximately 0.1176470588. Okay, and now I'm going to pick some values for t. I'm going to start with 4. And that gave me 0.178 something, whatever. Anyway, it's too big. So I'm going to try 6. And that gave me 0.0754. That's too small. So now let's go try 4. And let's try 5. Is that what I said? 0.65 to the 5th is equal to 11.60. So that is less than or equal to 2/17. So the answer is 5. In 5 years, we're worth less than $400. Our laptop is. Okay, there was no magic to the way I checked these numbers. I mean, 0.65 squared is a little bit more than 0.36. So I, kind of squared that and started with 4. But there was no magic. There was no special knowledge as to the way I picked these numbers to start with. I started with 4. If that had been way too small, I would have gone to 10. If I'd started with 10, obviously that would have been way too large because 6 was clearly too large. I probably would have come right back to 5 if I'd started with 10. Okay, now let's solve this using a log. Still going from our simplified formula of 0.65 to the t is less than or equal to 2 over 17. I'm going to take the log of both sides. So the log of 0.65 to the t is less than or equal to the log of 2 over 17. And that means that t times the log of 0.65, I don't need this parenthesis here, is less than or equal to the log of 2/17. And now, I'm going to divide both sides by log of 0.65. And what's important is that you need to know that's a negative number. And so that is equal to, it's approximately equal to 4.967852991. And so I know that t has to be a whole number answer. I was given that in the instructions. So t is 5 because it has to be greater than or equal to this. Now, here's the problem. You have to know that's a negative number before you divide both sides of an inequality by it.